Hey YouTube, there's been a change of plans here. We're now making what used to be our off-road lawnmower into a racing lawnmower. Now, just need a little help on lowering it. For the front, I have a pretty good idea. Just getting a piece of box steel with the caster blocks and go-kart spindles, and that will be that, and smaller kart tires, which I already have. Changing up the steering, making it a direct, instead of this crappy gear. Smaller tires, like I said. Kart tires, probably have to cut this off because this is for the quad tires, and then relocating the battery, pretty much everything. We're taking it all apart right now and building it from scratch. Another thing is, I need help on a couple things. As I get underneath here, there's no box frame, so it's kind of hard to go off of. Now, and another thing is lowering it is the one thing. So, what should I do? Should I build a new frame and go from there, or go off this frame? And should I use this transaxle, which is pretty big and spacey, or use something else? We're on a low budget, and yeah, I just need help deciding what to do with it. So thank you. Please subscribe. See ya.